Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your remote if it's not working or something like that to your Roku device. So to pair this, it's very simple. You just have to press the back button and the home button at the same time and hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds. And this little light's going to begin blinking. You can let go now, and it should say pairing or connecting on your TV shortly, and your remote should now be connected. Now, if it doesn't connect, go to your Roku device and unplug it from the wallet and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. Then go to your remote and do the same thing. Take out the batteries, plug in your Roku device, turn it on to this home screen, place the batteries back in, then put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode and the syncing mode once again by pressing these two buttons, and it should reconnect right now. So very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.